Hi, this is Presidential Director Karen Esposito. Today I wanted to talk about the incredible value of this starter kit. And what do you get in this incredible kit? This is called our starter kit, and I'm going to briefly show you what's in it and how much of a value it is. So if you've been following my channel, you know all about the blend bash. And in this kit, you are going to receive a full blend bash. With this blend bash, you're going to be able to set up at your house when you get your kit and sell right out of it that night. It includes 8 cartons that your guests will be able to come to your house and mix and create their own fragrances. You're going to be getting this theme for the starter kit, which is called the Sweet Treats theme. And each of our blend bashes come with a professional made sign. So you'll be getting this sign, which is the Sweet Treats, and you can put this up on your display the night of your open for business party. It has a little easel back, so you can just prop this up, so it makes a really nice professional look. So with the Sweet Treats theme, you're going to get sweet themed sprinkles. So you will get the brown sugar cinnamon. You'll get a carton of that. You'll also get a carton of the peaches and oranges, relax, maple syrup, Hawaiian coconut, peanut butter cookie, frosted sugar cookie, and the last one is our lemon pound cake. These are great scents that mix very well together. Each of your guests also will be able to get one of these cards, and on the cards is a space for them to write what they're blending, so when they get home they'll know exactly what's in their blend bash, what's in their blending bags, because I know sometimes they can get lost in the fun of creating and they get home and they don't remember exactly what they mixed up. So they can write it here on the card, and then on the other side of this card there's some recipes to give them some ideas of what that mixes well together. So the recipe cards do come with it, and the 8 cartons. The cartons alone are $28 a piece US or $32.50 Canadian. So right there, this is a great value for $69 or the 74 Canadian, just in the carton value alone. So you not only get that, you're also going to get a Simmering Light in the kit. The Simmering Light might not be this particular one. I'm showing you the rose gold, but you will get the whole setup, the wood grain base, the light bulb, the dish that comes with it that you put your sprinkles in, and you'll also get a shade. And the shade, as you know, goes right over the top, so you'll get a nice home decor piece in the kit. So you're going to get that. You will also get in the kit a bash box, and as you know, the bash box is what your guests will bring with them the night of their show. And because this is a kit, you're not going to get all your bash boxes in it, but we are going to send you a sample, and this is a tool that you can use to show your hostesses or potential hostesses what they're going to expect when they host a blend bash. So in the bash box, you will get a sample of the card that your guests will receive, and it tells them a little bit about our Pink Zebra products, and also they'll get their 3 blending bags, and the blending bags are the bags that they'll use to create and mix and match their scent recipes. So you're going to get 3 of those in there, as well as your scent samples, and they're generous size samples. So they will get 3 of those. So you're going to get 3 of those samples. They're very big sizes. They're like 2 ounces each, or excuse me, 1 ounce each. And then you'll also get a Go card, which will give you an example of our soaks line, which is a Go card. It's pre-soaked already, and this is something that you would hang in your car or a place like that for on the go. Hence the name, the Go card, right? So you're going to get the bash box in your kit. You're also going to get your printed materials. So you will get your catalogs. Here, you get a package of catalogs, and you're going to get your order forms and other brochures you will get. You're going to get samples. You're going to get 56 of our scent samples. They're going to come in packages like this, and you'll get every fragrance that we have, or the 56 core scents. You'll get those. These are for your guests to be able to smell at all the scents that we have at your parties. So you're going to have these available to you. You will also get a jar of sprinkles. We're featuring the Hope Blue Skies, and that will come in your kit. The Hope Blue Skies is part of our collection for the Hope charity, and the fundraiser for this catalog season is for Autism Speaks. So you will get that sent in your kit, and your customers will be able to see the size of a jar and the size of a carton, because you'll have both of those in your kit. You're also going to receive a sleeve of jars, and the jars are going to be empty, and you can use these as you wish. You can use these to fill up the jars if you like and sell them out of the jars, or you could keep them as stock. So that comes in the blend bash, and you're going to also get a set of Glimmer Candles. The Glimmer Candles come with the lids as well as with the wicks. So if you want to check out our other kits that we do have 2 other kits available. We have a sampler kit, which is a smaller kit, and it's just basically comprised of a bash box. And we also have a deluxe kit, which is even larger than this. But the best value right now is this starter kit with my coupon code. So you want to go to joinpz.com, check out the kits, but contact me to get your code, okay? I would love to have you join my team and have as much success as I have had. So I hope to see you soon. And if you have any questions, as usual, just post here. Thanks. Bye.